Meaning of floating.
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 Floating. In general, floating refers to the act or state of being suspended or supported in a liquid or gas without sinking. In computer programming, floating usually refers to a type of numerical representation that allows for fractional values. Floating point numbers are often used in scientific and engineering calculations where precision is important. The term can also be used in finance to refer to an asset that has no fixed value or price. Overall, the term floating implies a lack of fixedness or stability and a degree of fluidity or flexibility.